Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I find the best game offers on Freecash and a simple trick that can boost your earnings by 30%. Alright, here's my Freecash page. Only about 20 offers showing right now. Most people either read recommendations online or just pick offers at random. The problem? That's often biased and inconsistent. I do things differently. I use a tool I built myself. You see this small window on my screen? This tool pulls the top paying offers directly from the leaderboard. When I click refresh, it grabs the offers that real people have recently completed, along with what they earned. Okay, finally, here is the data. Now, let's click through the top 10 highest paying offers, see if any are available to me.
Dup. Nope. Oh, come on. Okay, finally, this one works. If you want to see the best free cash offers every day, hit subscribe. I post daily leaderboards generated by this tool. I'm also building similar tools for other get-paid websites, so stay tuned.
Now, once you've found the best offers and completed a few, the next question is, how do you make the most out of those earnings? You could just withdraw them the usual way. If you're smart about it, you can actually squeeze out 30% more without doing any extra work. Hey, let me show you how.
Once you've got enough to withdraw, link your stake.us account to Freecash. When you withdraw to stake.us, you get an extra 30% bonus.
For example, I just withdrew $177 from Freecash and stake.us credited me $230.
From there, I cash out through crypto to my Robinhood account. But why Robinhood? Because they have really low transaction fees.
Here's how I choose the crypto. Use USDT if you worry about price fluctuation but slightly higher fees. Choose Dogecoin if you want very low fee, but the price can fluctuate.
If I use Dogecoin, the transfer to Robinhood usually takes 1 to 2 hours. As soon as it arrives, I sell immediately. I'm not holding it. And here's a bonus. Stake.us also gives you $1 free every day just for logging in. You can withdraw that along with your free cash earnings. Some tips for you. 1. Always verify your account before you try to withdraw. If you fail verification, you can't get your money. R2, the minimum withdrawal is about $50, so make sure you've got at least that in your stake.us account. If you want to try this method, my sign-up link is in the description. It works for both stake.us and Robinhood. That's it for today. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I'll be sharing more websites like stake.us, where you can collect money every day, Xlet's new tools I'm building to automate the process. See you next time.